friends, this is CJ and we're back. We're back today here with Disney's Fairies. We're going to be unwrapping Tinkerbell's Pixie Sweets Bakery. Wow, look at that. That's Tinkerbell and all the goodies in there. Okay, great. Let's start with box right there, and this is what's inside Pixie's Sweets Bakery. And there's Tinkerbell right here. Okay, let's take her out. Got her out. This is her shoes. Okay, there's Tinkerbell. Hi kids. Hello. Okay, let me see. Turn her around. This is her beautiful green dress with pink aprons. And her really cute shoes right here. Look. Very nice. Okay, we'll put her aside. Okay, and we'll go to the purse. Okay, there's some rubber band on here, but this is her very nice pink purse. We'll set that aside right here. Okay, let's see. Go for the shoes. Wow, it comes with all kinds of different shoe wear. These are pale pink tall boots. Right here, this is what they look like. Very nice. Okay, we'll put them aside too, right here. This is pink, purple, lavender, glitter cocktail dress, it seems like. We'll put this aside right here. All right. This is a very beautiful hot pink day dress. It has these coral details right here. It has flutter sleeves, collars, button down. Very pretty. Here's the back. Here we go. We'll put it aside right here. And this one's very special. This, it looks like it's some sort of leaves, some leaves as her flutter skirt part, and this is also some sort of a leaf. It's very purple and beautiful green color. It's more like aquamarine. Okay, we'll set that aside right here. Last and finally, wow, that's beautiful. That is another dress. It's blue. It had these very pretty tulip lips that come out like this with pink one shoulder bodice Okay, we'll put that down right here. Oh no, oh, this is her wing. That's Tinkerbell's wing. Oh, very nice. Put it right here. Okay, let's see, what is this? Alright, seems like this is also another purse. It looks like a cupcake with cherries on top. Put that right here. Oh look, it's cake! Very pretty. Someone's already eaten a piece, but that's okay. It's pink. Put that right there. This, I believe, is a teapot. Okay. Green teapot for her tea party to go with all the sweets. Very nice. Put it right here. Oh, our shoes. More boots. This is a purple type. Looks like some sort of texture out here. Very pretty. Goes right under the knee. I'll put that next to our other shoe. And finally, this is the furniture, I believe. Oof, got that out. Oh! Alright. Okay, this looks like a very pretty table for her tea party. We'll put that right there. Oh, okay. Put it right here behind the dress. And here are the teacups for the tea party. Ooh. Oh. All right. Oh, that's, you can't see that. Okay. Then we'll put the teacup right here. Oh, nice. And then this is Tinkerbell's paper doll friend. All right, we'll undress that. It's a model. Very pretty. And this is a very cute glitter short mini dress for Tinkerbell. It also has some sort of glitter tulip leaves that flutter out like this. Very cute. All right, we'll set them aside. Very nice. Okay. So here we are. We have all of Tinkerbell and her clothes and her accessories. We'll just take it and we'll try them all on.